Welcome people to CowaCon 2010. There's Shauna with her awesome sword. She's looking over merchandise, which I will not film because there's probably copyright laws involved. The people from OMG Con. Vendor people with very good sense of humor. They all have good senses of humor. Dealer's room is down that way. Hello guys, say hi.
Alright. What? He popped an unpoppable bubble yesterday.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. This is like causing.
Look, he's begging for mercy. Exactly.
Have your attention, please. There are only 8 slots left for the Smash Brothers Brawl tournament. If you are interested, you might want to make it quick.
Getting him doing it too?
Yep.
Please, forgive me.
7 slots.
Never.
6 slots.
Please.
Maybe.
What are you I'll do anything.
The bubble from last night.
Oh yeah.
Just forgive him.
5.
Sorry.
Just forgive him. Come on, he's on his knees. Maybe. Kiss her foot.
4.
Kiss her foot. Tell him to kiss her
5.
foot. Well,
Maybe.
maybe.
Sorry.
4.
Please.
You're doomed.
Forgive this. I can't help it. The claws. They don't listen to me.
Buster, you're insane.
I'm not insane.
Whoa. You're close enough. In what world are you not insane? Fine, close enough. I'm recording. Okay.
Forgive this.
Maybe.
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 Yes.
Maybe. Alright.
Yay.
And I have proof, evidence, she forgave you. It's on the record now.
Yeah, that's gonna end up on YouTube.